So this is part 3 of our dropshipping myth busting series, and if you don't know, we have already uncovered the truth about product research, suppliers and the niche strategies. But there are still a few lingering myths that can quickly sabotage your progress. So let's clear them up so you can move forward with the clarity and without any confusion. Okay, so this is a really common myth. The myth number 8 is more product means more sales. Well, not quite. Packaging your store with dozens of random products won't increase conversion. It will likely do the opposite. A cluttered storefront overwhelms visitors, slow down your site and dilutes your brand. Instead of this, what you can do is you can curate 5 to 10 strong products. Each one should either solve a clear problem or align with a focused team. This makes your marketing more effective and your brand more intentional and trustworthy. Okay, the myth number 9 is you have to lower your prices to stay competitive. That's a common trap. Dropshipping prices often leads to registering margins and burned out businesses. The smarter move is raise your perceived value. Instead, in better visuals, clean copywriting, faster shipping and a fair return policy. And you know, people don't always choose the cheapest option. They choose the one that feels more reliable. So build the trust with your store and you will earn sales without slashing prices. And you know what nobody tells you when you start a dropshipping store? That the real villain is not competition or ad budgets, it's product listing. Endless tab opens, juggling supplier updates, rewriting the same description over and over. It's like being stuck in a loop. But here's how I got out of it. I was drowning in manual work until I found this hidden gem inside Doba AI Auto Listener. Think of it like your silent assistant working behind the scenes 24/7, listing products for you the second your suppliers updates them. Means no clicks, no uploads and no stress. So what it actually does and why it's insanely helpful. The first is real-time syncing. Supplier adds a new item, boom, it's listed with images, pricing and description with no action needed from your side. The second is error-free listing. The AI makes sure that there are no outdated prices or missing info that could lead to lost sales. And also inventory always up to date. You will never sell something that's already out of stock. And it's really like having your own product team working quickly in the background while you focus on actually growing your business. But why I'm recommending you to try it? The best part that blew my mind, it only costs $0.99 to test it out for 14 days. And it's really less than a buck and it's already saved me hours of work. So if you are tired of doing everything manually or else making costly listing mistakes, this tool is your shortcut. So click the link in the description to unlock the AI Auto Listener and finally put your product listing on autopilot. Okay, now let's back to the video. And the myth number 10 is if a product does not sell in a week, it's a failure. Well, not necessary. Sometimes it's not the product, it's the presentation. Your audience targeting might need adjusting. Your ad creative may need more work. Instead of tossing the product aside, test smarter. Refresh your thumbnails, try a new headlines, experiment with different audience segments. Dropshipping success is not instant. So stay flexible, stay patient and improve with every attempt. Okay, the myth number 11 is you can only succeed if you go viral. Going viral feels good, but it's not a strategy. Most sustainable dropshipping business don't blow up overnight. They grow steadily through consistent optimization, customer trust, and repeatable systems. Focus on real relationships and real results will follow. Myth number 12 is automation tools are optional. They used to be, not anymore. Managing dozens of SKUs, tracking stocks, updating description by hand, that's fast lane to burn out. Automation is not just helpful, it's necessary. And that's exactly why tools like Doba AI Auto Listener exist. They handle the behind the scenes chaos so you can focus on scaling, branding and customer experience. So here is a wrap for part 3. I hope this helped you cut through the noise and focus on what actually moves the needle in dropshipping. If you found value here, leave a like, share it with someone starting out and drop the comment if you want a part 4 too. And maybe we will dive deep into ad strategies and marketing myths. And if you want to know more about Doba, then definitely I will recommend you to go and watch this video now.